Hello everybody. Today I'm on a right now I'm on a single player world to do a few things, and I'll explain it all as it goes. So now we're going to get started. First off, we're going to be working on a diesel generator for supplying tremendous amount of power. And to start that off, you need a fermenter and an industrial squeezer, which is 9 light engineering blocks at the bottom, 1 in the middle, and then 9 on top. So we'll first make the fermenter. Which you right click it and it'll turn into that. Get away from me. The refinery in the middle. 1, 2, 3. And then I believe it's either heavy or light. But those are in. We put 3 like that, then that, and then heavy engineering block, light engineering block. Alright, you need 36 sheet metal blocks. First go around I accidentally grabbed aluminum, didn't even realize they were there. Alright, now this should work. There you go. So now that we're done with the aluminum blocks, we need to get the fluid pipes. And that one will go in like that. Then we'll run 2 off this side. And then we rebuild the exact same pattern that's over there. 9. 1 in the center. And then 9 more. And I'll explain all this here in a few minutes as soon as I'm done. And the lag in single player is bad for me. And then it turns into that. That is a squeezer. It'll be green. Your fermenter is blue. So now we will run a pipeline out like that. And now we'll get to work on the diesel generator, which is going to require 6 generator blocks, 27 heavy engineering blocks, and yes, they are have to be placed like this. There's no other configuration. And then 9 radiator blocks, and they go on the other side. And it should look like this when you're done. And you just, let's see. Okay, you tap it in the back there. Now we run the fluid pipe into there. Now, to operate all this, you've got to have some power. For this demonstration, we will grab a creative, but you want one of these. There we go. We'll grab one of them. You want redstone energy fluid duct. They hold the most, they can transfer the most power at once. So we'll put this right here. Then we'll run it off there. Alright, these little orange dots that show up on them is where you put the power cable to. And this one will have it up here, and same with that one over there. Right now, I'm not here to make this look pretty, it's just here for the show. Alright, the diesel generator doesn't need power going to it. It actually produces the power you can send out. So, let's get this thing started. Is there power going to it? Yes, there is. Which it can be indicated by it looking like that. If I go into configurations, we'll change this one here. Go to blue, that's input. That, I'm not sure what it is. That's output. So therefore, we're outputting. So now if we go back into our inventory here and go to foods, we will grab, where are the potatoes? There they are. We'll grab a couple stacks of potatoes. Don't need that, don't need that, don't need that anymore. We'll grab an inventory of potatoes. Or not an inventory, but 9 stacks. It should be enough. Which then, I believe it's this one here. Nope. It would be this fermenter. You put the potatoes in. And as you will start to see, now if I open this up, we're getting ethanol. And then we come back over here. We'll type in seeds. Industrial hemp seeds are usually the best way to go because they produce more per one. But any seeds like regular seeds, pumpkin seeds, melon seeds, well, any of these first 4 would work. Industrial, hemp, melon, pumpkin, or regular. I don't know about the rest. I've not tested them. But I do know industrial hemp is one of the better seeds to have. So now we'll put them in here. And you can already see it starting to produce right there. And we get plant oil, which now if we look in here, that's starting to fill. So now we need a lever. Actually, we're going to need 2 levers, but is what it is. The lever goes right there. And as soon as I put that lever on, started making biodiesel, which will start draining this stuff. And now we go put this on here, because that's where the power goes. And I can't click on it because there's nothing to actually open up on the inside. So what we'll do to show you how this works is we will grab a empty 80 million energy cell, and then I'm gonna have to retype this in. Redstone. We'll grab one of, or well, I grabbed the whole stack, but it's all good. Set that there. And we'll just hook it up just to one of these right now. And there you go. If you see the smoke coming out, it's running. And you can see how fast it's already filling up.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet.